Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am replacing my ball joints on my Lexus IS 300. The problem is like the one side literally doesn't have one at all, so the wheel is literally just all over the place wherever it wants to go. And the other side didn't have a part of it and was literally like sawed off at one of the holes. So yeah, we're just replacing those today. This is not a tutorial. I am so sorry for anyone that's coming here looking for that, I guess. It's literally just me replacing it for the YouTube channel. I will be doing control arms and everything else that comes with the front suspension, but I don't need it, you know? Like, the car doesn't even run. I literally just needed to get it on its feet, you know, make it look presentable a little bit. So yeah, we're just gonna hop into that. It's kind of gonna be some time lapses, kind of just little clips of me getting my hands dirty and whatnot. Filler video, I guess you could call this one. I have my carpet installed and other stuff like that. That's another YouTube video. I have the clips, I just need to put it together. And last but not least, I have had 2-3 comments talk about me not wearing clothes. I want to preface with some of y'all that I live in deep South Florida. I don't even feel like I have to explain myself, but I live in South Florida. Dude, it was 93 today with clouds. I'm burnt and I was only at the pool for an hour. Like, I wear clothes that at least cover my hoo-has and my booty cheeks, always. They're never hanging out. They're never like explicit. I obviously try to be as appropriate as I can on here, and I would love if y'all refrain from that, because I'd love to see you working in this heat with this much hair in the sun. Like, you would want to wear a crop top and shorts too? Anyway, let's hop into it. guys, so that is it for today's video. Like I said, quick little parts. It wasn't anything too crazy. Next upload is carpet install, some sound deadening, some panel removals, etc, etc, kind of install and removal of a lot of things. And guess what? Track day is soon. So that is going to be hopefully one of the best videos on my channel so far. That will be October 12th and 13th. I will literally try to have it posted that Sunday. I'm gonna have a bunch of different angles. I'm gonna talk about the track, the course that I'm doing. I'm gonna have my one 360 camera on my outside, probably one up kind of top up front just to show like the actual course. And then I'm gonna have one inside for like driver POV. So yeah, we got some sick videos coming up, and I don't know. Have a great day and sub if you think I'm cute.